Hey, how you doing? First video back in 25. Yes, I know it's been a while. And today's recipe is so easy.
A 10-year-old can make it.
This is my daughter Mia. This was her complete idea. So we are going to be driving ahead. Now, actually, I'm just thinking, right? To cook outside, you need a hat and you absolutely need an apron. Otherwise, you can't make cooking videos and you're just here with nothing. I think we gotta change that, right?
Coming up. Yeah, I'm on Team Chud.
Okay, and we can see, as epic as this apron is, I'm probably going to be on the losing team. Okay, today, what are we making?
Cow shots.
Okay, if you know what pig shots are, you can probably guess what cow shots are. So essentially what a cow shot is, it's going to be a tiny little piece of beef. It's going to be wrapped in bacon, and we're going to make a cheeseburger style cream cheese to go into it, and it's all one pop into the mouth. The first step here is glove up. Missing a finger. We have a bowl of beef. This is just straight right out of the supermarket. Yes, you could grind your own, but we're not. And we got to season this up first. Now, Mia is going to choose the seasoning today, so we have a few. First up, we have chud rub. You got to taste this. We got to put a lot of this into the burger. Go on, have a taste. Next one, let's go with, and again, you can use whatever rubs you have. This is Me Church Hickory. It's an all-purpose barbecue rub, just like the chud rub was. There's that one. So these two are done. What are we thinking? Swipe that one down. And we get something a bit more kind of savory and a little bit sweet. This is a really good rub, but I don't think there's much like this on the market, to be honest. This is Sweet Cheeks from Mr. Robinson. It's just kind of, it's got kind of maple vibes to it. It's very savory. It's got a great color. Even the smell is epic. Okay, and then we have one last one that we're going to try today, and that's the Dallas Cowboys. Let's just not say nothing about that season. This is the Hail Mary rub from Me Church. This is also great on wings and on anything. It's a good all-purpose one as well. Have a taste of that one. You've eaten more rubs than ever. Well, that one, let's get the awkward part down first. Right, so you want to go with this one?
Yeah.
I think we can use it all. You are the chef today. Get it into the bowl.
All of it?
All of it. We might actually have enough. Right, gotta go to Chud's, get some Sweet Cheeks. It's just so savory and tasty. I think it might work well with the bacon. Right, let's get our hands in here and mix this one up. Squish, mix, twist, twist. That's all you gotta do. The really hard part about this one is actually getting the size right. That smells good already. And I think maybe a little bit more of the original chud rub. Let's get that going. Just a little bit for a bit of color. Yeah, plenty. All right, and let's mix again. So it's definitely a chud video. Here we go then. All right, yeah, we got a nice color on that. Now, you can leave it in the bowl if you want. As I said, the hard part starts now. To give you an example, you need some toothpicks as well, by the way. This is the kind of size that we are going for. I'm just gonna hold it up there as well. That's the size you're going for, and it's kind of probably around an inch thick. You can make it a little bit smaller if you want. So let's see, Dad will go for one, and we'll see how we can get it. Just don't work it too much, but just move it around. Okay. Now, to make life easier, you kind of have something just to measure it so they're all kind of similar size. This is just a little kind of measuring thing, so we can just push this down. Cookie cutters would work as well right here. So this is the first one. As you can see, it's like a really kind of miniature slider, and it's approximately that size. So it's pretty small, okay? The other cheat code for this is actually just to, once you get this the right size, just weigh it, okay? Now, next up is bacon. Streaky bacon, always. Now, we don't want the whole lot of it because it's too much. If there is we want to kind of keep it uniform shape. Just slice it down the middle-ish. Get off the straggly bits. Then we wrap it around, which Dad screw that one up. You may waste, well, there's never wasted bacon. Is there?
No.
Never wasted bacon. So this is literally a kind of a surround, and it has to overlap. And once it overlaps, get a toothpick. You can have it up a bit. Get a toothpick, because inside here is going to be where the cream cheese is. Get a toothpick, stick it all the way through. Then you can adjust the shape a bit. And we have our first one. Right, 9 more please, missus. You probably find your own technique to do it, and if you're wearing kind of these nitrile gloves, it can stick, so you can just give it a quick roll and squeeze it and hold it in the palm of your hand and make your shape. Once you're done, just get them onto like a little sheet like this, and then we're going to work on the cream cheese. And then once we get our cream cheese done, we put these into the freezer, just leave them stiffen up for a little bit, and then boom, smoke, cook, eat. Smiles. Next up is our cream cheese. I know you're eyeballing these, so while I explain this, Dad's strength.
Pickle.
I know you're dying for one. In my head, I'm trying to create a cream cheese that's savory and it's got a little bit of pickle running through it. We might need a little bit of a sauce, a little bit of a barbecue sauce as well, but we're kind of going to find out as we go along. Now you can chop these up. I bought this for protein shakes, so I'm about to ruin it by putting pickle juice into it. And pickles, it's probably way too much pickle juice. So we're just going to blend it up and we're going to eyeball and taste. This is the most important thing. Taste, taste, taste. Do you want to get some of the Dallas Cowboys rub?
Yeah.
Don't lose it on the way back. It's behind you.
Oh.
I hope the pickle will come out of the blender because I don't want to ruin it. All right, let's just give this a quick blitz. No pressure. All right, let's get our cream cheese in here. You want to open the next one?
Yeah.
Dad's really badly prepared for this one. Let's get this out. It can only go right or wrong. All right, let's go. Hold. You want to press? Go.
Like a pickle smoothie.
Want to drink a pickle smoothie?
Yeah.
No, you can't. Okay.
Yummy.
That's a lot of pickle. Okay, let's get some of this in here. This could not work at all. So we're trying to make like a whole cheeseburger in a cow shot, as it were. As much as I like pickles, I don't know. This could work. Needs more pickle? Well, there's one stuck to the side. Okay. Needs a little bit of savory. So, Hail Mary barbecue rub is really good for me, church. I'm just literally covering the top layer. Not enough sour cream. It's got a little bit too watery. So, it needs to be a little bit thicker.
I go with the pickle juice.
I'm the donkey that put the pickle juice. Thanks for reminding me, Gordon.
Good.
All right, so it's easy enough to tickle, to thicken it up again. There we go.
Pickle.
We're rocking. Right, that's it. Put that into the fridge until you are ready to go. Give it like 30 minutes to kind of soften and harden and sort itself out. Same with the burgers. And then we will see you to put this into our cow shots in the next clip.
In the next clip.
We are after leaving these in the fridge for around an hour. Now you saw the cream cheese mix. I've actually remade it. It just needs to be a little bit thicker. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this into the bag, and we need a knife.
Hold your horses.
Hold your horses. So get the most oversized bag you can find, because after all, that's what you'd need, right? Scoop into the bag. You don't need a lot of this cream cheese depending on how many that you're actually doing. Well, okay, before we do anything else, most importantly, how has your barbecue cooking experience been with your dad?
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. Hey! All right. Are you going to pipe these in?
Yeah.
All right, so let's get this down here onto the magic shelf. Let's wipe myself down. We are going to drop that down there. We are going to snip this ever so slightly. So remember, like a small hole will get a lot out. That's it. So I'm going to do the first one. All right. That's recording. That's recording. That's recording. Are you recording? Okay. And all you got to do is just literally squeeze in to our little pocket. You don't have to have a lot.
Like pink. Looks
No.
like ice
Off you go. That's a small bit. That's probably one of the biggest cow shots we have. That's plenty. On to the next one. And that's all you got to do. And then the next step is to get that into any barbecue, right? Whether it's a smoker, it's a Weber, it's kettle, anything. But you got to get a bit of smoke. So we're rolling a little bit of oak, use cherry, apple, whatever you have, just to get these up. And we've one last little touch for these before we put them in. The last touch here is just to give this a little bit more of a dust.
magic.
Want to do it?
Yeah.
But you got to shake it really fast now, all over. Up high, up high. Yeah. Hey. I think we got more than 1 or 2 more than others, but yeah, perfect. Go on, last one up there, all yours. Last cow shot to be done. Boom. Put on again whatever rub you have. There's yeah. We'll have to shake it off your head. And that's it. So these are now ready to go into the smoker. Okay, temperature-wise, 275, 300. These are going to take about an hour. The beef is small. That's going to cook fairly quickly. So you're looking just at the bacon to get nice and brown and crispy. All right, Chief, let's go. Bring them in. Dun, dun, dun. Don't drop them. Please don't get burnt. All right, that'll help. Go on. Down over there. You got him? Good girl. Hey.
Nice.
Done. We are going to bring it down.
Bye-bye.
Those are on for about an hour. Now, how easy was that?
Easy.
As easy as, like, you absolutely can do these. If
10-year-olds can do it, so can you.
right, next shot, we are going to be tasting these, maybe with a little bit of barbecue sauce on top, or maybe a little bit of ketchup on top, just to kind of create that je ne sais quoi of the burgers. All right, high five, missus. Yay! Clap, clap, clap for sink. Clap, 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 clap for sink. Okay, here we go. Whew. These smell amazing. Dun, 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 dun. Not sure why there's one missing, but
Yeah.
these are like the absolute insides of Mordor with the cream cheese, because it is really hot. So we're going to leave these here for like 3-4 minutes. Then we're going to get into them. Got some crispy onions, got some sauce, barbecue sauce, ketchup, whatever you want to put on. You don't have to put anything. You can give an extra dusting of your favorite rub. But these, let's have a smell.
That's the barbecue smell.
These smell good.
Oh, daughter.
We've waited about 3-4 minutes before we get sauces and all the other stuff. We just want to taste them properly. Are you excited?
Yeah.
All right, all day for these. So, you want to try this one?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on now. And Dad will go, I'll go with this one. Cheers. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. So what can you taste? Can you taste the maple chud rub? Sweet cheeks, the bacon, the cream cheese works, the pickle. That is really good. Now, That's really good. Really, really good. What do you think?
Mm.
All right. Just to change these up a notch, we are going to put the tiniest little
Dot of ketchup.
dot of ketchup on these. Whoa! Get all that into your mouth. Mia's doing the ketchup one. Thumbs up for me on that one. And I am going to do one with Meat Mitch Whomp sauce. This is a bit of one of my favorite sauces. So just a bit up on the top. Then for good measure, we are going to get a few crispy onions. Put those up. And then all done in one. Here we go. That is it right there. That is it. A little bit of barbecue sauce at the end. That is it. Cheers, missus. You are a superstar chef. All right, let's eat the rest of these. Okay, and a few crispy onions on top of it.
Please.
There you go.
Eat them there.
Yeah. Do you want ketchup or barbecue sauce? What do you think? Good?
Like,
Oh, you're done.
I only complain. Not enough.
Yeah, I know, yeah. Right, rock, paper, scissors between the three of us. Okay?
I don't want one.
All right, come in, so you got to do the rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Dad owns that one.
I win that one. Okay, so that one is a rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Right. So there you
You're
two,
go-
you two
You.
go in.
Okay.
Win that one.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I get it. Honestly, these things are freaking.
Why not? Like, then
My wife is right. Her reluctance to say it on camera, but we did not make it up. This was a good show.